All right, we're going to learn how to fold your frogs. So the first order of business here is to get your index card. And I already have a couple things, a couple lines here that are going to kind of show you where to fold. So our first fold is going to be grab this upper corner here. And you're going to fold this across and you're going to line it up perfectly with this edge and give it a nice little crease. Okay? That's your first fold. Your second fold is going to be the other corner doing the same thing. So grab this other corner, you're going to fold over like this, and you're going to crease it nicely. And so essentially you've just folded and made an X. So you've made an X right here. Okay? In the middle of that X, here we're going to fold the opposite way, not up, you're going to fold down, and you're going to fold right through that, that intersection of that X. So you're going to fold backwards, and you're going to make it nice and straight, make sure that the lines or the edges line up, okay? So once you do that, you've made 3 folds, 1, 2, 3, and we can kind of pinch the sides now, and if you pinch the sides, it's gonna fold into kind of a house shape. So there's your first order of business, is a house shape from an index card. So we've made 3 folds so far. So that's the first order of business. From there, let's go to the second part. So I'll put that outside. And so here we have our house. Here's our second bunch of folds. So from the side here, you're going to take this flap, right, like this, and you are going to take this corner and you're going to put it all the way up to this corner. You're going to fold it in half, right, like that, okay, and crease it. You're going to do the same thing with this side. You're going to fold this in half and you're going to fold that straight up to the top so you have a nice little square here, a diamond if you will. Now that's these little flaps now we're going to fold in half so that this inside edge is going to be right on this edge. So you're going to fold it in half towards you and then you're going to crease it so it kind of sticks out like this a little bit. Same thing with this. So that's our second part of this. So we've just made the arms of our frog, basically, at this point. So this is what your frog should look like so far. It's like a big home plate. Okay, so that's the second part of the fold. All right, I'm going to put that outside. Now, with our next step, so we got our little feet here, right? You got those. You're going to basically take this edge here, and you're going to fold it in so that this corner is going to meet that diamond in the middle, and you're going to crease on both sides. So same thing, you're going to fold this part, this wing, and you're going to fold it in so that it meets in the middle and everything is straight on the bottom, so you have this shape right now. Okay, so that's the next part. So we've just kind of folded the wings in. Okay, and we have one more set of folds that we're going to do. So from that, we got our wings in here. Okay, now we got to make the legs. Okay, so again, we're going to take this whole bottom part and we're going to fold it right at the base of this intersection of all of these different folds. We're going to fold that straight up and we're going to crease it. Okay, and then from this one, this little flap, you're going to fold it so that it meets up perfectly with this bottom edge. So this is our last little fold. So we fold it up right there, and then we folded this down. And so it kind of looks like a home plate with little legs here. So this is our finished frog. Okay, if you look at from the side, kind of you can see why it looks like a frog, right? So there we have just gone through all the steps to fold your racing frog. And now we're ready to actually race.